Here Gian is starting off with a board primed with the Firenze color primer. He's coming back with a material called Carrara Fine. Carrara Fine is much like the fine material, but has a real, very fine aggregate, real fine silica, and goes on very smooth. We've tinted this with the color 5917. 5917 is a mineral tint, and therefore all natural. He's allowed to dry. He comes back with the second coat. If you haven't tried the Carrara Fine, I recommend you do that. Some of the finishes can be done in actually 2 coats. Very easy to work. Especially if you're a novice, you don't have to worry too much about the pimpling or delaminating. It also can be used in applications where people don't want too much polish. You can apply it and leave it fairly matte. This color is called 5917 times 3. Very nice finish.